Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Bruce here, Stock Markets with Bruce. Welcome to my channel where we talk about the markets in plain English. Story today, Gamestop. The symbol GME. The stock Gamestop is up 25% today. It's now trading around the $19.50 mark. And the reason is simple. Mr. Cohen, who already was one of the largest shareholders of the company, is now a bigger shareholder of the company, picked up a bunch of stock and is now sitting on over 9 million shares. That was disclosed today in SEC filings. This company, if you don't know who they are, they have shops in almost every shopping mall in North America. They're in Australia, they're in Canada, they're in Europe. They are one of the world's largest sellers of game systems and online games. They're now converting to become an online company. This gentleman right here, Mr. Cohen, made a fortune selling his pet food company, his online pet food company, to PetSmart. Here are the purchases he has made from the 15th of December to the 18th of December. He picked up stock from as low as $13.80 a share up to $16 a share, on top of the positions he's already been sitting on, where he bought at $5 to about $10 a share. He now has 13% of the company, the single largest shareholder, and he's going to convert GameStop. His plan, I think, is to convert it to an online retailer. He'll continue to operate stores, but they're going to dramatically reduce the money-losing stores, the smaller volume stores, and he might work other deals with other retailers. Check these charts here. Here's a 1 week chart. Look at what's been going on. This 1 month chart is really interesting coming up. You're going to see how the stock took a dump back here in early mid-December. Look at that. It was in that 16, 17 range, went down to the 13 range. That's where he stepped in, and he bought up all the stock that people got rid of. He just bought a ton of this back and said, thank you very much. And now he's got a nice, solid position. He is going to certainly become a dominant force within this company, and this company is going to do well. Its market cap now is $1.3 billion. The 52-week high is now $19.74. The 52-week low, $2.57. This stock is the most shorted stock on the stock exchange. There are about 60 plus million shares shorted. There's only 50-something million in existence. That means that for every share that exists, there's more than one share shorted against the positions, and that means we are in the middle of and the beginning of a major short squeeze that I think could take this stock to unheard of levels. I don't see any let up for these short sellers. The only way the short sellers are going to get out is if this company offers stock from its treasury at much higher prices for a whole bunch of fresh cash, and the shorters will get out losing a ton instead of a ton more. I mean, it's the bottom line. The new game systems are coming out, the PlayStation 5, the Xbox. Christmas sales are good. They're going to go online with their selling. And we have a guy leading this company who knows what he's doing when it comes to the online business. A Texas-based company, and I think they're really in the middle of a turnaround. The shares are already reflecting, I think, what we're going to see. And I think the shares can go much higher than this. There you go. Today's story, GameStop. This has got to be the fourth or fifth video I've done just on this stock. I started following this back in July, August, when I noticed how big the short position was. The stock was only trading around $5 a share. And here we are now approaching 20, and I don't think there's anything going to stop it now. There are so many shares shorted that the short sellers are scrambling, and they're going to lose millions if they don't cover sooner rather than later. We'll stay on top of this story. Keep your eye on GME. It's on a roll. Should be a lot of fun. Thanks again for following this channel, Stock Markets with Bruce, where we tell you what's going on in plain English. We'll keep you posted on this story and others. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.